Oh my God, they're big boxes. We're here. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So it is summer and I wanted to do a summerween unboxing of some stuff that I bought at Costco online, and so I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm so ready for this fall to come around because it is so hot. But look at my beautiful sunflowers. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful they are. Ah, gorgeous. So anyways, I'm gonna take you inside and I'm gonna do my unboxing of my 2 Halloween items that I bought at Costco online. I'm crossing my fingers to see if Costco brings out the one that I really want, which is a pumpkin Mickey, and I hope I can get a hold of one. Look at the bee that's pollinating right there. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a little tiny bee. So cute. All right, let's go inside and do some unboxing. So we are in summer and a lot of people do summerween DIYs and stuff. And anyway, I figured I would do a unboxing of some stuff that I got for Halloween. So we'll do a summerween unboxing. So I got these two guys online on Costco, and I'm looking and crossing my fingers for a third item that I'm looking for and hoping that it comes back online. But anyway, without further ado, you hear that? That's Priscilla. She's here visiting Grandma. Anyways, I'm going to do an unboxing and show you guys what I got for Halloween this year. So welcome to Summerween, unboxing my Halloween online purchase. She's being nosy. I got some of my stuff out for Halloween because I do plan on starting some DIYs for Summerween, and she finally left. But I brought out all this stuff so I can start working on some DIYs. So now let's start with this unboxing. These are my purchases. I got these guys in Costco online, and I'm gonna go ahead and open them, and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Oh, I'm so excited. I was so excited to get my packages. I was literally stalking the UPS guy. Oh, here it is. Let me turn this guy around to get this guy out. Whew, that was a big box. All right, so the first thing I got was, oh, look at this. Look it. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the glare. Let me do a close-up here. Look at what I got. Oh my gosh. I got the little Disney haunted house, and I'm so excited. So online, it is $100, $99.99. If you happen to find it in stores, it's $89.99. Unfortunately, I have gone to my Costco and they don't have them in my Costco yet. So I figured, you know what? I don't want to miss out on these, so we ordered them online, paid a little extra, but that's okay. I just think it's so cute. Let me open up this box, and then I'll show you what I have in this box, and then I'll set them up, and then I can show you what they look like once they're out of the box. Oh, here's the other one. I cannot wait to show you guys. Let me get this guy out. Let me pause this really quick. Here's the other one. Oh my goodness. And again, this one was $99.99 online. And if you find them in the store, they're $89.99. But again, I didn't find them in my store. What I did see online was the Mickey and Minnie pumpkin. They're actually leaning on the pumpkin. And I didn't get that one. And then when I decided I want to get it, it was sold out. So I'm also waiting for the Mickey Mouse pumpkin. That one is $89.99. I don't know if they're going to bring it back online. I keep looking, and I know it was sold out in all the Costco's that they brought it out in. Now, they haven't brought it out to the West Coast, and I'm hoping that they do. But if not, I hope they bring it online. It is such a cute Mickey Mouse jack-o'-lantern. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I find that one. So I'm going to open these guys up, take them out of the boxes, and plug them in so you guys can see what they look like. It is 110 today here, so it is hot. All right, look at, oh my goodness, how cute. Oh my God, the lighting is just terrible here. I promise I will show it a little better once the lighting changes in here. But I'm gonna go ahead and plug this guy in. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Whew, I am warm here. This is giving me cozy, cool fall vibes here. I'm so ready for it. It's been so hot here. Okay, now let me see, where do you plug this guy in? Okay, so back here is the plug, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that guy in there. All right, let me plug it in. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at how cute. Let me close my blind. Oh my God, how cute. All right, let me see. Okay, so if you want it, if you don't want it with music, you can do that. And you turn it on and off back here. Let me see. So it has the on and off. Oh my God, I just love it. It is so cute. All right, so I'm gonna set this one to the side. I'm gonna get the other one open and get the other one going. I'm gonna turn this one off for now. All right, time to unbox this one. And again, it comes with the instructions and everything here. And it comes like the other one. It has the plug up here. And you can see right here already. Oh my God. So I want to be very careful when I take this out. Oh, look at, I hope you guys can see. Look at this. Oh, isn't it sweet? It has the, I have that on there. Let me take that off. I'm going to plug this one in and show you guys what this one looks like. It has the same cord as the other one. All right, I'm going to put this cord in. If I can untangle it. It's the same cord, the kind that the other one uses. And once I know that they're good, I usually cut off this little sticker here, this little tag. Let's see, same thing, same concept here. Okay. And so it does the same music. Oh my God, it's going front and back. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, let me show you guys. Look at how adorable. then if I stand on this side, okay, right here you guys can see. Look at how cute. Oh my God, that is so cute. Now, if I want to take the music off, I can. So there it is without the music. And I would probably end up taking off the music because I know it would drive me crazy to hear that music. But, oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my gosh, how cute. Here's the front. You can see Mickey right there. Mickey right there. And then there's Donald. So here's the haunted house. Look at how cute. Look at all the details. Look at Goofy. How cute. And then there's Donald's nephews. And then there's Daisy. Then up here we have, you know what I just noticed? Look at Mickey's eyes. They look kind of weird, don't they? How weird do they look? But I guess that's how they're supposed to look. And then there's Pluto. And then you have this tree here. And then this is what it looks like around the corner. So cute. And then there's Minnie right there. And then here's the other nephew. The other, or is that Donald Duck? Yeah, that looks like that is Donald Duck. And little devil, look at that. And yeah, there's only two of his nephews. There's supposed to be three. Oh, there's the other one right there. So that's what that looks like. This is the box. And you can see his eyes. See, they look better there than they do here. Look at that. Don't they? That just looks straight weird. And look at that right there. Huh, that's different. Weird. And then this is the boat. Or the ship. Look at how cute. Here's Donald. Look at how cute. It's so cute. I know I keep saying that a lot. Oh, I didn't take this guy out back here. There we go. All right. And then there, oh, cute, the pumpkins and all that that's on here. It's just so cute. But I will share with you guys what it looks like later on when you can see it a little bit better. And then here's the box for that one. And if you find them in your Costco, they're $89.99 in Costco. But if you get them online, and they're still online, these two are still online, they're $99.99. Of course, you don't pay the shipping, but obviously that's why it's not $89.99 like at the store. They're basically charging you for the shipping for $99.99. But I'm hoping and I'm crossing my fingers that I can get a hold of a Mickey jack-o'-lantern. So these are my cute summerween finds, and I will show you what they look like later on. But I am excited with this purchase. All right, here they are where you can see them better. these are my summerween finds, and I cannot wait to take these out and display them. Actually, I'm probably going to just go ahead and display them now. They're so cute. I want to enjoy them for a longer time than just Halloween. I think they're so adorable, and I hope that you guys find these online. They are so cute and so worth it. I want to thank you, friends, for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.